Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to cover the subject of why you must handle your sleep and stress on keto. If you like these videos and want to see more of them, me and my wife do a lot of these videos, so just make sure you hit the subscribe button that is here on the screen or somewhere here on the screen so you don't miss any of our new videos. And by the way, my wife and I have both done the Dr. Eric Berg Keto Coach course. I just tagged along and watched all the videos. And she is a certified coach, and we have an awesome deal for you. So if you have any trouble with your keto, just make sure you check out our website and we can do a free counseling session for you where we can go over your problems and maybe that solves it, or maybe you need more counseling, and then we are very happy to help you with that. So basically, a lot of people have trouble with sleep and they don't even know it, and unbelievable amount of people have trouble with stress. I was one of them. This was one of the biggest things to handle for me to be able to lose weight on keto. And the sleep is actually one of the main, and stress also is one of the main pillars of health. Your sleep needs to be very deep. It needs to be a long sleep, needs to be around 7 to 8 hours, and you need to not wake up. It is not normal if you have to wake up on your sleep, even to wake up so that you pee. Many people actually have these problems that they wake up 3-4 times, and mostly it should go away just with keto, because when you get fat adapted, then you stop retaining a lot of water in your body, and then you don't have so much circulation. Basically, when I was in my worst condition, I think it was like 5 times I had to wake up to pee in the evening. It was mostly handled, but then I did this stress technique that I'm also going to show you, which completely handled my sleep. So now I basically just sleep through the night. The only thing that can still really my sleep is my devil kids, because somehow they like to migrate around and sleep in me and my wife's bed, and that does wake me up, and that's really bad. I also want to talk about stress a little bit, because basically I will do videos about this, but when you're doing keto, you're actually using your body and your hormones in the body to lose weight. And stress activates a hormone that is called cortisol, and what this hormone does is that it basically breaks down the protein in your body into sugar through a process that is called gluconeogenesis. So to translate this to you, even if you're in ketosis and you're not eating sugar or carbs, the lovely stress can still push you out of ketosis by filling you full of sugar from the existing proteins. And if you have a lot of stress, because the body is eating up your protein, you will have a very hard time building muscles, and you generally need a lot more protein in your body because you're simply using the protein to make sugar. Thanks, buddy. So basically, I maybe forgot to mention, but also the sleep activates a hormone that is called growth hormone, and growth hormone cancels out cortisol, which is the stress hormone and is one of the main fat burning hormones. So basically, most of your fat loss happens while you sleep, and this growth hormone needs to be activated for that. So if you don't get enough sleep, then you will have like a lot less of this growth hormone, and it doesn't counter stress. And then because when you have stress, then you will not be able to sleep. So it's like a catch-22. So let's go to the solution. So there is this sex toy by Dr. Eric Berg. I'm kidding, this is not a sex toy. This is a massage tool that you can use on yourself. This is basically done after the fingers of Eric Berg, and there is some points that you can press on your body. 2 are like here, there is on your neck and on your back and in your stomach. I'm just going to put his video here because obviously he can explain it a lot better than I can, but I do this massage for 5 minutes every time before I go to sleep, and guys, I sleep like a piece of wood. Literally the first time that I tried it, like, you have to understand, I haven't slept good since we have gotten our kids, which is more than 4 years now. Unbelievable. And the first time I tried this, I literally closed my eyes and I opened them, and the sleep was so deep that I felt like there was no time passing between, like, I closed my eyes and woke up in the same position as I fell asleep, and I was so rested. It was unbelievable. So I really, if you have trouble with the sleep and stress, you have to get this tool. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can get it. And there is 2 other Dr. Eric Berg supplements that I take. This is a sleep aid. I take 1 pill of these just before I'm going to sleep, and this is basically to chill down your adrenals and stress hormones, and you take this 3 times a day. I'm doing 1 meal a day, and even though I take this, definitely doesn't kick you out of your fasting. So I take it 1 when I wake up, and then lunch, and then in the evening when I take this one. And there is a few other tricks, but these are the ones that have helped me the most. For example, you can take a drink which is called CalMag, which is calcium magnesium. It has a very relaxing effect. So just before going to sleep, you can make a drink with that. Perhaps you can take your tablets with that drink. That also helps you very much. And I'm also going to do extra research about sleep. But definitely, so many people have this problem and they don't even know it. Like, you speak to people and they think that it is normal, that they can't sleep. They wake up with stress. So if you have this, you definitely need to handle this, and also the stress. And this will be, like, this can unlock if you're bogged on keto. This can be one of the main reasons why you're bogged. And yeah, so that was the video. I really hope this helped you. If you're having some problem with keto, please let me know in the comments, and me and my wife will try to help you as much as we can. And don't forget to check our website and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Ciao, ciao.